The future of hands-free hand washing is here. The Rada Digital Faucet is a hands-free digital faucet that offers superior levels of safety, infection control, and compliance. Placing your hands near the faucet will activate the water supply. LED lights will illuminate, indicating the faucet is preparing to dispense water safely. Rada's Safe Start technology ensures the mixing of hot and cold water, protecting users from scalding, prioritizing their safety and comfort. If the faucet's LEDs begin to flicker, the faucet is preparing to stop, and you'll need to reactivate the sensors to continue water flow. By hovering your hands over the corresponding icons, the temperature can be adjusted. When the white bar moves towards the red, the water temperature increases. If it turns red, the faucet has reached its hottest temperature. When the white bar moves towards the blue, the water temperature decreases. If it turns blue, the faucet has reached its coldest temperature. A flashing white cross means the faucet is performing a temperature check or a disinfecting cycle. At this stage, hot water will be discharged. This is in accordance with your facility's water safety plan, and the faucet is fully functional during the process. If the faucet is in the duty flush or cold flush mode, the white cross will appear but not flash. A flashing wrench means that the faucet requires attention, and you should refer to the manual or your facility manager. Rada's digital faucet delivers a superior level of safety, infection control, and compliance. www.armstronginternational.com